Morning world, another beautiful day up here in paradise. Tank top and shorts. Peter Hughes, I got your message. Peter Hughes, yeah, I saw your comment yesterday, mate. Yeah, I hear it's pretty cold down there. This is why I love being in Queensland. This is why I love being here, but I will tell you the nights here are pretty cold, and I have put my lecky blankets back on my bed because when I get into that bed of a night time, I want it to be nice and warm. So anyway, yep, another beautiful day up here in paradise. So what the fuck is that noise? Sounds like an aeroplane. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I have no idea what that noise is. Anyway, mission today is finally get the tail shaft out of Zippy. I've already got it up on the stands. I've got my spanners under there ready to go. So let's crawl under there and get this tail shaft out. Hopefully we don't have any lighting issues. I don't have a small tripod stand, so I'm just using something else. Right, so I wonder if I can show you the uni joint. I don't know how you can see much up there. But the uni joint. Oh yeah, she's knackered. Oh, I don't know if you can, I don't know. I don't know if I can get that up there. Let's see. Don't know if you can see, but she is, look at that. That front uni joint is completely shot. Now, someone's been in here before because, same thing, I don't know if you can see, there we go, I can see. See, they've marked there. So this tail shaft's been out before. Anyway, let's see if I can get it out. But anyway, right, let's see if we can undo these bolts. Fuck me, that's tight. Like, way too tight. Holy shit. No, that's turning anyway. 12. Holy shit, that's tight. Like, super tight. I might get some oil on that. Oh shit. Right, that's got that one loose. Shit, that was tight. Right, is that one loose? You can't get a socket on anything, so it's all going to be done like this. Oh, I might have to go and put her in gear and the handbrake on. Holy shit, I can't, that is so fucking tight. Hang on. Right now, I've put it in gear. Handbrake was actually on. Which one of me? Oh, it doesn't fit. Bugger. That is tight, like over tight. I don't think they should be that tight. Oh, I can't fucking get it. Damn it. Fuck. Hammer maybe? Jesus. Someone put these on so fucking tight. I can't get enough. Jesus Christ. This is bullshit. Oh, I can't get it. Oh, got it. Jesus, whoever put these fuckers on. Holy smoke. That is bullshit, I can tell you. Right, go and roll the wheel over. So that one's loose. Yep, loose. Got two to go. Yep, it's loose. Right, go and roll the wheel over. Oh. Right, there's two there. Let's hope I can get them out without too much drama. Oh, I'll put a bit of onyx on it. See, that fucking helps. But man, that is tight. Like, seriously. Oh my God, that is bullshit, that's what that is. Oh, gotcha. Rightio. That's one. One to go. Oh, fuck. Tightest uni joint bolts I've ever come across. That's for damn sure. Why isn't that going on then? At least the nuts aren't rounded off. Oh, oh. Jesus. Kill my hands. Gotcha. Rightio. They're all loose. Thank fuck for that. A bit worried there for a minute. I should have my Zippy gun out. But I can't be bothered now. Holy fucking smoke, what a bitch that was. I can't believe how tight they were. I know they're not meant to be that fucking tight. There's no way. Those bolts are meant to be that tight. Glad I wasn't doing this on the side of the road without any tools. Yeah, someone made a comment, why don't I do my own uni joints? Mate, I've always struggled doing uni joints. As far as I've done my own a few times, but you know what? This fan's going up. Right, let's move the wheel. I'll be back. Right, I'll set you up over on the bench over here. Actually, that chest mount, or the brass strap, is a great little camera mount. Oh yeah. Rightio. Look at that. You see that? This thing is flogged out. So that just started happening coming out of Dolby. So she made it home, and I would have made it home, go a lot further, but the fact is I knew there was something under there. One quick look, yeah, front uni joint, so I'll tell you what. Little old Zippy there has definitely done a fantastic job. And just to have one blowout uni joint after the whole trip, not too bad. All right, I'm going to get organised, get in the boat and head down and see if I can get this fixed. So, all right, catch you a bit later. Right, our world. Well, it's been a while, but guess where we are? Back in the boat. All right, so this is a cold start. She hasn't been started this morning. Beautiful. No rattles, no clunks, no bloody lifter noise, no nothing. This motor is quiet as a mouse. I put oil in it yesterday. Sorry. I put transmission oil in a few days ago and let it sat while I was doing other things. Took her for a drive yesterday. Beautiful. All gears are there. Everything's good. So she does need a good long warm-up time, but that's all good. I'll just sit here and do that. I'm huffing and puffing because those bolts were bloody hard getting that uni out. So yeah, this motor. So yeah, the boat sat 4 months. After I realised I had a kill switch and got it running, started straight up, no lifter noise, no rattle noise, no clunk, so I believe I've got that cam done. This thing's due for its first oil and filter change soonish. I've just got to go and buy more oil. It's like $80 for 5 litres. I'll get that organised. When I come back and pick the tail shaft up, I'll work out what oil I need. Same as Zippy, I've got to do an oil and filter change on Zippy as well. Get that ready. Right, that should be our warm-up done. Roll some grommet, yeah. All right, let's go. Now, I was just talking to old Al, who lives behind me, who's got all them Douglas's motorcycles, and I had Black Darryl mow my lawns. I'll turn you around. So I had Black Darryl mow my lawns while I was away, and I sent Darryl a message saying, look, I'm home, you know, come and grab your cash. And I got this really strange unreadable text message back. I drove past his place the other day too, and it didn't look like he was there, but it looked like someone else has moved in. I don't know. And then I was just talking to Ella over the back fence there. And he said Daryl's not in a good way, and he's fucking on his deathbed. And I asked him, well, is he in the hospital? He said, I don't know where he is, so I don't know where he is either, but I do need to pay this guy. Yeah, he wasn't looking that flash when I left 4 months ago, but apparently he's gone downhill really, really fast, which is really, really sad. So, anyway. So yeah, boat's running beautiful, all gears are working. She's running like she should. And yes, it is so good being back behind the wheel of the boat, absolutely. I'm not used to the heavy throttle and a few things. I do have to do a little bit of work on the boat as far as the perch shifter selector. You go through the gears and you put her into drive and you go to push it forward to hit neutral, and there is no neutral. And the only way to find neutral is go back up into reverse and then come back and find neutral. So when I did the oil and filter change on the auto ages ago, I did tighten the bands, like as I tell you to, and I think that's changed the adjustment. Now, is that Bindi? Hey, Bindi! I got a text message from the other day saying, are you alright? I haven't seen you for a while. So I had a message, yeah, I've just got home from Perth. Alright, now, let's hope these guys are willing to do the job for me. Oh shit, I forgot the rego number, but anyway. Let's hope this is a job they can do, because I do not want to do this job myself. Right, JJ Autos. Right, let's go see what they've got to say. Right, our welds, tail shaft's dropped off. Oh. Tail shaft's dropped off. I might not see that till either Friday, today being Tuesday, or I might not even see that till next week sometime, but it doesn't matter. So this will be a two-part video. I'll get today's video out, and then when I get the tail shaft in, I'll make another video of installing. So yeah, so good being back in the boat. Oh my God, I love it. I've missed it. I've seen that bike before. Alright, I'm going to put the bolts back in the diff housing, just so I don't lose them, tidy up my tools, and Zippy's just going to stay on the stand there for however long it takes to get the tail shaft back. Hopefully, maybe they'll get some parts in for me today. Sorry, tomorrow. Maybe they'll get some parts in for me tomorrow. Maybe it's going by Friday, but it doesn't matter as long as the job's getting done. And actually, I checked the rear joint as well, and it was knackered as well. So it was long overdue for a uni joint. And, you know, I certainly put some kilometres, I'm backing miles now, but I certainly put some K's on that little car. Oh yeah, GT fan. Well, I remember. The GT fan, mate. I messaged that guy. Hang on. I messaged that guy about that idler arm part. I don't know why people do that. He said, oh, I sold it yesterday. I said, well, you know, I didn't say anything. But I'm thinking, you know, if you sold something, you put sold on instead of people chasing you for a part that no longer exists. So, anyway, I got hold of him and he messaged me and said, no, that part's been sold, but I've got another one coming tomorrow or the next day. And it's complete with the bent arm, the idler arm, the idler arm bracket that mounts to the subframe, and then the arm that runs up to your drag link. It's all there. Now it looks a bit flogged out, but he said that's coming in the next couple of days. Do I want that? $400 plus $10 postage. You know, but and I said, well, I really need to get under my car and have a look, make sure it is the right part. You know, and I'll probably just buy it anyway. But it does look flogged out. I still haven't got around to sorting out the other bottom part of that idler arm that old mate sent me when I was at the Fig Tree Motel. So yes, GT fan, I did contact that guy and he said that part was sold, but he's got another one coming in with, it's got the arm attached and everything. He wants $400 for that. I suppose it's an investment, as in it is a rare item, so I should just jump on it and buy it anyway, because you know what it's like. If that part that I was given from old mate at the Nightcap Motel in Fendry Gully doesn't work, then and he sells that part before I get to it, then yeah, I will be kicking myself in the nuts. So anyway, well, that's as far as I can get to today. Rightio, well, that's about as much as I can do on Zippy the van today. I might just do a quick cleaning up, do a bit of a vacuum, and just sort of clean everything out. I can't even check water and oil because she's up in the air at the moment. Rightio, well, that's about as much as I can do on Zippy today until the tail shaft returns. I might give it a bit of a vacuum and a clean and blah, 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 just to tidy up. So basically it's just going to be sitting around waiting for parts to come in and for them to install them for me. So anyway, well, it's good to get back on track, good to get some jobs done, and yeah, it's just good to be back home where it's nice and warm. Rightio, well, stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, and we'll catch you later. Bye.